Have you ever had a cabbage hash brown? Well, I have not. This is my first time trying it. Come join me. Okay, we did a test version and mistakes were made. You can see down here that we were using a high heat and it just didn't give enough of a cooking time to the cabbage in the center. Then the outside got pretty crispy. If you enjoyed that way, then no problem. Okay, put a bit of canola oil. You want to gently press down. And now we're going to let the bottom side cook. We cooked this now for about just a little over 4 minutes. And I'm going to flip. Look at that. That's a lot better than the one I just did before. Alright, let's give this a try. I have to say, I am surprised at how close to a hash brown it does taste like. I'd say maybe 75% of an actual hash brown. If you do love hash browns, I say obviously the potatoes are the best, but if you are looking to reduce calories or you're on some kind of restrictive diet where you're not eating potatoes,